Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this built-in backpack for your Roblox avatar for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get this item for free, you're going to join the Island of Move game in the Roblox. Okay, you're going to join this game and you can redeem a code. Anyway, you're going to go to this area and you're going to interact with this robot. Click on this A icon and you can click on redeem code and you can follow this code guys. Okay, you're going to type in setting the stage. Alright, and click on the check mark. Okay, and I have already redeemed this code, and to get the item you can leave the game and you're going to go to your inventory, move to avatar menu and go to the customize, and then you're going to go to the accessories and choose the bag category and you'll be able to equip this item. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this built-in backpack in Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.